This video will show you how to replace a Nissan Quest parking light bulb. This is a dual filament bulb, so it's also the same bulb used for the brake light. Be sure to check the information section for updates, part numbers, and links to related videos. There are several years that are very similar to this 2007 model. If the lens is cracked, water getting into the lens may be what caused the bulb to quit working. If you need to know how to repair the crack or get the water out, my video on how to replace the lens covers that also. Remove these two 10mm bolts. So that you don't scratch your paint or break the delicate edges of the lens, fold a soft cotton cloth a few times and put it over a putty knife or other similar tool. Use it to pry gently while rocking the lens side to side until the top pops loose. Then slide the tool down the side of the lens while continuing to rock the lens side to side until the bottom pops loose. Now pull the lens straight back. The socket in the middle is the one for the brake and parking light. Turn it counterclockwise. Before you pull it out, notice the direction of the wires. That'll make it easier to align the socket when you reinstall it. To remove this kind of bulb, pull straight out while gently rocking side to side. You can spray a small amount of silicone spray on each side of the socket to make it easier to remove. To insert this type of bulb, place a folded rag over the bulb and press it into the socket until it clicks. Make sure the shoulder of the bulb is even with the socket. Dust, grease, and even fingerprints can make a bulb develop hot spots that can eventually cause the bulb to fail. So be sure to clean the bulb with a little rubbing alcohol and a soft cotton cloth. Insert the socket in the lens and turn clockwise to lock it into place. These are the two posts that go into these two holes. Put a little lubricant on the two posts to make it easier to remove the lens next time. These two holes are the nylon inserts where the bolts screw in. Before you push the lens back in place, test each of the bulbs. Push the lens back into place. Replace the two bolts. These bolts screw into nylon inserts, so use very light torque to tighten them. It really helps me if you share this video, click the like button, or subscribe. Be sure to check the information section for updates, corrections, and links to related videos. Thanks for watching. Also feel free to make comments and ask questions.